Interior design. The fusion between bohemian warmth and minimalist restraint has given birth to one of today's most captivating trends, boho modern minimalism. This style combines the organic, expressive spirit of boho aesthetics with the clean lines and functional elegance of minimalism, resulting in living spaces that feel both serene and soulful. For those seeking to transform their living room into a space that's effortlessly stylish yet deeply personal, boho modern minimalist design offers the perfect balance. 1. The philosophy behind boho modern minimalism. At its core, boho modern minimalism celebrates two seemingly opposing design philosophies. Bohemian interiors are known for their vibrant layers, rich textures, and eclectic mix of objects that tell a story. Minimalism, in contrast, values simplicity, space, and purposeful design where every element serves a function. When combined thoughtfully, these approaches complement rather than contradict each other. The minimalist aspect prevents the boho charm from becoming overwhelming, while the bohemian influence ensures the space doesn't feel sterile or overly structured. The result is a living room that exudes personality, warmth, and calm balance. 2. Start with a neutral foundation. The key to a harmonious boho modern minimalist living room is the color palette. Begin with neutral tones such as soft whites, warm beige, muted gray, or gentle taupe. These hues serve as the backdrop, creating a sense of openness and serenity typical of minimalist interiors. Once the base is established, add subtle color accents inspired by nature. Think earthy terracotta, olive green, rust, or sandy browns. These shades bring warmth and texture, helping to evoke the bohemian spirit without overpowering the space. The goal is to maintain visual calm while layering depth and personality through soft, natural tones. 3. Choose furniture that marries form and comfort. Furniture selection plays a vital role in maintaining the balance between functionality and artistic flair. Choose modern minimalist pieces with clean lines, light wood finishes, or sleek metal frames. Avoid bulky designs that consume space unnecessarily. Instead, opt for compact furniture that maintains an airy feel. To incorporate the boho element, introduce natural materials. A rattan coffee table, a jute rug, or linen upholstery can add tactile warmth. A low-profile sofa with soft, neutral cushions complements the minimalist structure while providing the inviting comfort associated with boho living. The combination of light, structured furniture with organic materials creates a visual dialogue between discipline and relaxation, two hallmarks of this hybrid aesthetic. 4. Use texture to add depth and warmth. While minimalism often focuses on clean surfaces and visual simplicity, the bohemian side of the style invites layers of texture to enrich the sensory experience. Introduce texture through woven fabrics, raw woods, handcrafted pottery, and soft throws. Think of a knitted blanket draped over a sleek sofa, or a vintage rug grounding the room's modern furniture. Mixing these tactile elements prevents the space from feeling cold or overly polished. Instead, it builds an atmosphere of effortless comfort, a space where simplicity feels soulful rather than stark. 5. Incorporate nature and greenery. Boho modern minimalist design thrives on a connection to nature. Adding plants not only brings life into the room, but also enhances the organic, tranquil ambience. Choose greenery with sculptural beauty, such as fiddle leaf figs, snake plants, or trailing pothoes. Keep the arrangement intentional. Place a few well-chosen plants in strategic spots rather than filling every corner. The minimalist principle of less but better still applies here. Natural materials like wood, stone, and clay also reinforce the theme of grounded living, seamlessly blending beauty and authenticity. 6. Art and accessories with purpose. Minimalist interiors are known for restraint, and in boho modern minimalism, this principle extends to decoration. Choose art and accessories with personal meaning or craftsmanship value. A single abstract painting, a hand-woven wall hanging, or a set of ceramic vases can become focal points without cluttering the space. Avoid excessive layering or visual noise. The idea is to curate rather than decorate. Each item should contribute to the narrative of the room, whether through texture, color, or sentiment. Handmade objects or vintage finds add a soulful touch that aligns with bohemian authenticity while maintaining the clean aesthetic of modern minimalism. 7. Create a balance between open space and cozy corners. A successful boho modern minimalist living room isn't about filling space, it's about creating balance. Keep open areas that allow the eye to rest, emphasizing the minimalist aspect of spacious calm. At the same time, carve out cozy zones for reading, relaxing, or conversation. You might place a soft poof beside a low table, add a woven basket for storage, or create a small reading nook near a sunny window. These intentional details add warmth and comfort without compromising visual harmony. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Layer different sources such as floor lamps, pendant lights, and candles to achieve both functionality and ambience. Warm, diffused light enhances the softness of boho textures while highlighting minimalist clarity. 8. Sustainable and mindful design choices. Boho modern minimalism naturally aligns with sustainability and mindful living. Both design philosophies encourage conscious choices, buying fewer but better items, valuing craftsmanship, and celebrating natural materials. Opt for eco-friendly furniture, recycled fabrics, and energy-efficient lighting. This mindful approach not only benefits the environment, but also deepens the sense of authenticity and tranquility within your living room. A space that looks beautiful and functions ethically feels even more rewarding to inhabit. Conclusion: serenity meets soul. The boho modern minimalist living room is a testament to the beauty of balance, where simplicity meets creativity and calm meets warmth. By combining the free-spirited charm of bohemian design with the discipline of minimalism, you can craft a space that feels open, harmonious, and deeply personal. It's a style that encourages you to live with intention, surrounding yourself only with what brings joy, comfort, and meaning. Every piece, color, and texture has a purpose, reflecting your unique story within a serene, modern setting. In this way, boho modern minimalist design is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle of thoughtful beauty and soulful simplicity.